Hi, in this lecture we will talk about heading tags in HTML. So let me create a new file here and I will name it tu-2.html and hit enter. So first of all, we need to create our HTML structure. So let's write here HTML tag, and then inside this HTML let's open head tag, and then just write here title, and I will say heading tags. Okay, and then inside this, oops, let me close it. Okay, and now let's open body tag here, and inside this body tag, HTML provide us six heading tags. So first heading tag is known as h1 tag, and this creates a very big and bold heading. So if I say heading 1, and if I save it, let me close this. Okay, and just go live, and here you go. So this is the heading 1 tag. Okay, so currently I have zoomed in my browser. So if I zoom out, this is the normal view of a website. Okay, so this is the heading 1 tag, h1 tag, and then we have h2 tag. Okay, so let's write here heading 2. Let's save it, and this is our heading 2. And then we have h3 tag, heading 3. Let's save it back, and yeah, this is our heading 3. So if you want to give a title or something like that, you can use this h1 tag. You can use h2 for main heading, and you can use h3 for subheadings. Okay, and then we have h4 tag, and it's looks something like this. Okay, h4, let's save it, and yeah, this is our h4. You can use it for inner headings. Okay, so I hope you have understood. And then we have h5, which is heading 5, and let's save it back, and yeah, this is quite small. Okay, and then h6 is quite small, that you can use it even inside paragraphs, but again, it is not a recommended way. Okay, so just let's write here heading 6. Okay, let's save it back, and yeah, this is our heading 6. So these are 6 heading tags which HTML provides us by default, but you can use CSS in order to change their styling, their boldness, their weight, height, font size, font style. Okay, but we will talk about them later in the CSS section. But for now, just keep in mind that we have 6 heading tags. Now these headings are more meaningful to the browser, and they are very important for SEO of the website, because they are delivering more meaning to the web browser, to the search engine, that here user has added a heading, here he has added a subheading. Okay, so that's why I'll recommend to you that whenever you need to write a heading in your document, you should use one of them. Okay, so I hope that you have understood the heading tags in HTML, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.